Hi, I'm Kat. Welcome to my channel. You can find a written version of this recipe by visiting my website, 3catsfoodie.com. Dark clouds and non-stop pouring rain. And on top of that, it's been one crazy week. So whenever I want to spoil myself, I make this restaurant-worthy dish. We have mussels, Spanish sausage, in thick and spicy tomato sauce, served with French fries and wine. This takes me back to Europe. Let's start with mincing 6 garlic cloves. Finely dice half of a brown onion. You could swap for shallots if preferred. We need some beautiful fresh basil. I'm going to pick about 20 leaves to put in the sauce. We'll also need some fresh black mussels, cleaned with their beards removed. 2 cured Spanish sausages. Slice each sausage lengthwise into 4 long strips. Then cut them into small chunks, making some small enough to fit inside the mussel shells. Heat 1½ tablespoons of olive oil into a large pan. Then add the sausages. Brown over medium-high heat. This is looking great. Let's go in with some onions and garlic. Cook for about 2 minutes or until the onion softens. Careful, as we don't want the garlic to burn. Time for some heat. I'm adding 2 teaspoons of dried chili flakes. Adjust this amount to your liking. Next, to glaze the pan with 1/3 cup of white wine. Cook for 2 or 3 minutes until the alcohol smell disappears. Pour 2 cans of crushed tomatoes. You could also use tomato puree. Stir in the basil. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar to balance the tartness of the tomatoes. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and pepper. Since the sausages can be salty, we need to go lightly on the salt. Bring the sauce to a boil, or until it starts to bubble. Then, reduce the heat to low. Simmer for 20 minutes. The sauce will get thicker, less acidic with a concentrated flavor. If you like your sauce thinner, add some water a little at a time. Increase the heat to medium-high. Put the mussels in and cover. Cook for 1 minute or until the mussel shells open. Shake the pan or gently stir the mussels so they all get covered in sauce. We should throw away any mussels that haven't opened. As you can see, I like my sauce thick so it clings to the mussels. Taste the sauce and adjust with more salt or pepper if needed. And there we have it. Enjoy these impressive homemade mussels. Visit me at 3catsfoodie.com. You'll find a written recipe with a clear, step-by-step guide and tips. I have also converted the cooking measurements so it's user-friendly. Thanks so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.